Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again. Yeah, so there's this trending song. I have decided to follow Jesus, right? By GAISE, Baba and Lawrence OYOR, right? So I have an approach I gave to it some Sundays ago, 2 Sundays ago. So it's a very simple Afro pop kind of bass line, right? So I just feel like sharing it out. I feel it's going to be of help. If maybe the song is being raised in church, you can actually apply it on the bass, right? So let's go quickly. So let's use a key of C for this instance, right? The key of C. So let me just play the bass line once or twice, then I break it down, right? So let's go 1, 2, 3, go. That is all. Right, so let me go slowly again, once again. 1, 2, 3, go. Right, so that's the bass line, right? So let me call out the notes, right? So this is 1, 2, 3. So this is do mi so, do mi so, right? 2 times. Do mi so, do mi so, then do mi so, then do mi ti re, right? So do mi so, do mi so, do mi so, then do mi ti re la do mi, right? Then la do mi, la do mi, la do mi. Then what I did here, so la so, right? La so. I used a hammer on here, right? Then I started fa mi re do, right? La so fa mi re do, la so fa mi re do, right? La so fa mi re do. So again, slow, right? So slide it, right? That's also. So let's play it in its entirety now. 1, 2, 3, go. Sorry. You see how it sounds, right? Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, go. So on to no, it will never look back. No, it's already too late. No, it won't make sense. So that part, let's say go. That is alright. So you can just let me just call out the note again. So do mi so, do mi so, do mi so, do mi ti re. Right then, la do mi, la do mi, la do mi. Then la so, right. Like I said, this is a hammer on technique here. Slide it to fa mi re do. So you can use the la do mi, la do mi, or la do mi, any of the shape, right? La do mi, anyone here, or anyone you feel comfortable with, right? So you see? So just any of the shape that actually is going to be more comfortable for you to use, you can actually use it. But you can actually try this bass line and see how it's going to sound on stage. Thank you. And please, sorry, if you did not subscribe to my channel, please, I'd love you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification to get more updates. I'll be dropping a lot of tutorials, right? Thank you so much. See you soon.